Hi, my name is John Ranney. I am the head trichologist and president at Freedom Clinic Toronto, a busy trichology, medical aesthetics, and hair loss clinic operating in the city of Toronto for over 3 decades. We are proud to announce that we have developed our own product line for advanced treatment of hair loss and scalp problems. We've noticed in the industry over the last few years that there is a tremendous need for these types of products, and so we have taken it upon ourselves to develop our own to fill a void that is really necessary. So without further ado, we have our own new medicated shampoo. Now, the special thing about this medicated shampoo is it's a 2% Zinc Pyrithione shampoo. What that means is normally antifungal shampoos for anti-dandruff, scalp problems, psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis contain 1% Zinc Pyrithione shampoo. This shampoo has twice the active ingredient as the leading brand and is actually twice as effective, and we know this from experience. So I'll show you a couple of examples about how 2% Zinc Pyrithione shampoo works so much better than 1%. So here's a client with seborrheic dermatitis. This is in the nape of the neck. You can see the inflammation and the yellow scales. This is the nape of the neck after using the shampoo for a few weeks. And this is in the vertex, which is the crown area, same person. Again, you see the yellow scaling, the oily blobs, and inflammation, and you can see the reduction of all that stuff in the after pictures. So that's the seborrheic dermatitis, and even for mild psoriasis or moderate psoriasis, this is a picture of mild to moderate psoriasis, where you have heavy scaling, bleeding even under the scales, and extensive inflammation, and you can see after the usage of the shampoo in the bottom pictures how effective this shampoo can be. So that's our Freedom Clinic medicated shampoo, a 2% Zinc Pyrithione over the counter. We have 2 formulations, one that's unscented, and that's for people with sensitive scalps, and a scented one for those who prefer a fragrance in their shampoo. Secondly, we have advanced hair loss products, and I'm going to show you some examples of how these works. So first of all, Trico Boost. This is a new topical serum. It contains 5% Minoxidil, but it also contains 2.5% Finasteride. Now, Finasteride is normally a drug taken by men for for treatment of hair loss, androgenetic alopecia. Of course, everyone knows the side effect stories of oral Finasteride. Well, we now have the Finasteride in the topical form combined with Minoxidil, and studies show that topical Finasteride is equally as effective as oral Finasteride. However, there are very few, if any, side effects in the vast majority of people that use topical Finasteride. So combining topical Minoxidil, 5%, with topical Finasteride, as well as a third hair growth product known as Bimatoprost, which is the active ingredient in Latisse, which is a serum for eyelash and eyebrow growth. So these 3 things have been combined in our Trico Boost Serum, and the results have been nothing short of spectacular. So here's a woman after 8 months of treatment. She did 4 months of Minoxidil, and then she did 4 months of Trico Boost, and this is her after pictures of 8 months. And the same person, you can see the hair density transition in this picture. This is before we started the treatment. This is with the Minoxidil alone, our Freedom Clinic branded Minoxidil, and this is with the Trico Boost, and you can see the density has almost doubled from here. It's just remarkable results with this. Some other results I can show you. This is a young gentleman. This is after only 3 months of usage. You can see very sparse hair here and starting to fill in beautifully after only 3 months of usage with Trico Boost. And finally, we get this situation with so many women where The temples are thinning out a lot and women's getting very concerned. Again, 3 months of treatment and you can see the hair growing in very effectively with Trico Boost. So that's our new Trico Boost Serum, extremely effective. We're really proud to launch this. And now this is a prescription, so people need to call the clinic and find out more about this. We can issue a prescription through our medical team, and this can be yours in a nice large 100 milliliter bottle, which will last you 3 months, and very effective, very effective. Finally, we do have the 5% Minoxidil only for people who can't use Finasteride, and we talk about that when we consult with our patients, but our 100 ml 5% Minoxidil in liquid form, very effective as well. So that's our product line. We're so excited to launch, and this is going to be a game changer for hair loss and scalp problems. So there you have it. Thank you for listening.